How to save Google Forms responses as PDF. For that, you have to open the Google Form, whether it is on your PC or on your mobile device. If you are on mobile device, you have to open the desktop view. Then after that, if you want to save the responses of Google Forms, you have to go to responses section, which is next to questions. I only have 0 responses here, or I don't have any responses. If you have any one of the responses, then you need to select whether you want to save the Google Forms responses in the form of summary, questions, or individually. You can select any of those. Here you will easily find out that option if you give the responses. Once you have done that, you have to tap on the three dots which is next to send, and on this drop down menu box you have to select print. Once you have selected the print, you need to customize all the options here: the printer, copies, orientation, pages, colors, paper size, and many of those options. And after that, you need to select three dots which is at the top right corner of the screen, and now tap on save as PDF. Here you need to select the location where you want to save the Google Forms responses as PDF, and here you can easily edit the PDF's title as well and tap on the save button. So the PDF of Google Forms responses has already been saved on your device. So that's how we easily save Google Forms responses as PDF. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.